Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour. And what we have here is an unboxing of a couple of Spigen cases for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I just got this yesterday, and I've been actually carrying it around without a case for a full day, so I've been very careful. My cases finally came. Uh, I actually got the phone before the case, which is a rarity, but carrying the phone around naked, the phone of course, can be dangerous. So without further ado, here is the Ultra Slim Fit by Spigen. Like I said, this is literally just a quick unboxing, just to show you what how you can protect your phone. And here it is. Looks nice. It's nice and tight. Fits very good. Oh yeah. Very good actually. I like it. It fits nice and snug. There's enough over here to protect the screen. I like it, and it's not too big. Doesn't add a lot of heft at all actually. This is very good, actually. I like this one. Probably my daily one will be this one. And here's the Tough Armor Spigen. Oops. Let's take a look at this one. This is a nice one too. It'll add a bit more bulk to it, but probably add better protection. There we go. Here we go. The cutouts. This one's nice, and this one even has this even has the kickstand, which I always have problems opening. All right, let's try it in. There we go. Very nice. Again, very nice. This one has about the same here. Some decent protection here, but it's a bit bulkier. A bit. Yeah, you can see it's up ever so slightly taller. And I don't know if you could see it here. It's ever so slightly wider, but it's a bigger case that offers more protection. And of course it has the kickstand, if ever you want to, which helps for videos and stuff. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So like I said, guys, this is just a quick unboxing of a couple of Spigen cases. I've become a big fan of Spigen. I think they're really quality cases, and I just wanted to show you that. Just two nice cases, nothing complicated, slim fit, a bulkier one, and just to protect your phone. So thanks for tuning in. I recommend Spigen, and I'll see you in the next one.